Vande Mataram. Welcome to Oral Learning. Today we are going to discuss about the second scene, a tiger in the house. In the last class, we have noticed how Timothy was discovered by grandfather. He hid on a intricate roots of a banyan tree. How he was brought up. Let us see the second lesson. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk. And that milk that was given to him, who gave milk to him? The cook named Mahmud. But that milk proved too rich for him. Heavy for him, and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil. What are given? Milk, then raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a tempting diet of pigeon and rabbits. This paragraph is about how Timothy was brought up entirely on milk. That proved him too rich and resulted to indigestion, and he was given a diet of raw mutton, cod liver oil, and to be followed later by tempting, attractive diets, tasty diets of pigeons and rabbits. Diet means simple food. So proved him too rich, that means indigestion came. Timothy was provided with two companions. Two friends. One is Toto, the monkey. How was the monkey? Was bold enough, very bold, to pull the young tiger by tail. Who was pulling the tiger? The monkey was pulling the tiger named Timothy by the tail. Then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper. The monkey was pulling the tail until the young tiger Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy. First one is Toto, second one is a small mongrel puppy. Mongrel means a kind of dog. A small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. First paragraph is about the delicious food that was given, the rich food that was given to Timothy by the grandfather. The second paragraph was about the two companionship. One is Toto and second one is the mongrel puppy. What was Toto doing? Toto was pulling the young tiger by tail and climb up to the curtains until Timothy lost his temper. Second one, a kind of puppy that was found by the grandfather. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. First of all, Timothy appeared quite afraid seeing the puppy. and darted back. Darted back means to move quickly, back step, to move quickly. Getting frightened, Timothy darted back with a spring if it came too near. If it came, it means the puppy. When the puppy came to him too near, first of all, he darted back with spring, with a jump. Very quickly he went up. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. First of all, he did not allow the puppy, the tiger, to crawl on his back, to become friend with him. Finally, he got settled with a companionship, friendship. One of Timothy's favorite amusements. What are amusements? Entertainment. Amusement means entertainment. So, one of Timothy's favorite amusements was to stalk anyone who should play with him. Stalk means follow. To follow unknowingly. So what is stalk? Stalk means to follow someone or somebody unknowingly. So what was Timothy's favorite amusement? To stalk, to follow anyone who should play with him. If anyone come there and like to play with Timothy, that means Timothy definitely follow with him unknowingly. So when I came to live with grandfather, the writer says, when he came to live with grandfather, I became one of Tiger's favorites. The writer became one of Tiger's favorites. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes. With a crafty look in a glittering eyes, attractive eyes. His body crouching. He would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet. He dashed his feet to the writer, and rolling over on his back and kicking with delight. He was kicking with delight, pretending to bite my ankles. Pretend means not true. Pretending to bite my ankles. He was not exactly biting the ankles, but he was pretending to bite the ankles. Not to be true, but only to show a mere affection. So, kicking with delight, pretending to bite my ankles. Who was biting? Timothy was biting. Whose ankles? The writer's ankles. So this para was about Timothy's favorite amusements. What was Timothy's favorite amusement? To stalk, to follow anyone who should play with him. If you should follow with Timothy, then you are followed by Timothy. So when in this way grandfather, the writer became one of the favorites of Timothy. Then how he closer and closer to the writer and pretend to bite, different type of affection. How can we say that there is an affection? Pretending to bite his ankles. It is a show of affection. Kicking with delight. Love with delight. Next, rolling over on his back. These statements shows that both have the higher affection. Next para. He was by this time the size of a full grown retriever. He was by this time the size of a full grown retriever. So here who was a full grown retriever? Timothy was a full grown retriever. Retriever means a large dog with thick black and brown fur to have the maturity. Retriever means a large mature dog to a large dog with thick black and brown fur. So he was young when I took him out for walks. When he took him out for walks for walking, people on the road would give us a wide berth. They could not come near to Timothy. It was difficult to go with him or to stand there. When he pulled hard, the writer says, when he pulled hard with his chain, it was fully difficult to keep up with him. What was difficult? It was difficult to keep up with him, keep the young tiger with him. His favorite place was in his house was a drawing room. What was Timothy's favorite place? Timothy's favorite place was drawing room. He always seated there. He would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. The young tiger Timothy in the drawing room, there was a sofa, long sofa. There he rested comfortably. There he relaxed. He was relaxing very peacefully, reclining there with great dignity. Reclining means relaxation. Sitting in relax, that is reclining. Sitting with relax or relaxation, that is called as a reclining. Reclining there with great dignity, snarling at anybody who tried to get him. He was barking, he was snarling at anybody who was disturbing during the time of relaxation, resting. During the time of resting. Then Timothy had clean habits. First one, scrubbing his face with pads. Exactly like a cat. Similarly like a cat, he was scrubbing his face. He slept at night in the cook's quarter. Always, and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Delight means happy. He got happy when he was taken to outside in the morning. So what are the clean habits of Timothy? Scrubbing his face like a cat, and he slept at night in the cook's quarter. And second one, delighted when he was comfortably works with others. So next, one of these days declared grandfather in a prophetic manner. Prophetic means forecasting. What will happen in future if someone knows, that is called as a prophetic. what will happen in future, but what are the future possibilities. If someone knows well, that is called as that manner is called as a prophetic manner. Of course, declared grandfather in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed. They are going to find Mahmud sitting on, yes, find Timothy. Where was Timothy? Timothy was sitting on Mahmud's bed. And no sign of the cook except his old clothes and shoes. There was nothing signed, no sign except his clothes and shoes, except his clothes and shoes. Of course, it never came to that. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over to him. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over to him. What was the changings? Less friendly instead of friendliness. He grew steadily less friendly. No accompaniment was found. No friendliness was found among the members with Timothy. So when out for a walk with me, the writer, me means first person writer, when out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away a stock or stalk a cat or someone's pet Peckins. While he was sending for walking, while he was taking out for a walk, he was disturbing to others, stealing away to stalk or pet Peckins. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house. What was being heard? The sounds of the cocks, the poultry house. And in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. What was lying? All the feathers were lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up more often. Look at this sentence. Sometimes at night, when Timothy was 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew less friendly. While taking out for a walk, he was talking. He was stealing someone's pet Peckins. He was stealing. Stealing means sneaking. To sneak. To catch by force. These are the one of the villainous intent of the tiger Timothy was developed there. Here frenzied cackling. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling. Frenzied cackling means the sound of the poultry. The sound of the poultry, the cocks from the poultry house. In the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up. Timothy had to be chained up more often. Who chained up? His owner, his master. Why? Because only he grew steadily less friendly, only for his villainous intent. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally, when he began to stalk Mahmud about the house with what looked like a villainous intent. for this villainous intent. This paragraph was about the changings came over to Timothy during the age of 6. So for this villainous intent outlook, grandfather decided that Timothy was to be transferred to Jew. Timothy was to be transferred to Jew. And finally, the nearest Jew was at Lucknow, 200 miles away, reserving a first-class compartment for himself and Timothy. Grandfather reserved a first-class compartment for Timothy and himself. No one would share a compartment with them, only for his villainous outlook or intent. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the Jew authorities were only too happy to receive this tiger. Why? They felt that it was a civilized tiger, a well-fed and civilized tiger. Who thought? The Jew authorities thought that the grandfather who went there with his Timothy, the Jew authorities felt that it was a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. So they accepted happily and became glad to receive. This was about the second scene. Next, the question answers comprehension check. Who are there in this part of the story? Toto, the monkey, a mongrel puppy, a writer, his grandparents, Cook Mahmud in this part of the story. Toto and mongrel puppy, 2 companions. Next, the writer, the grandparents, the Cook Mahmud. Who named the tiger cub and who brought it up? The writer's grandmother named the tiger cub and the cook brought it up. Cook Mahmud brought it up. What was the diet of the tiger cub? Raw mutton, cod liver oil, tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Raw mutton, cod liver oil, tempting diets of pigeons and rabbits. Who were Timothy's companion at home? Toto and the mongrel puppy. What was Timothy's favorite amusement? Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone, to follow anyone who should play and share with it. How did the writer become Timothy's favorite? How did the writer become Timothy's favorite? The writer became Timothy's favorite when he came to live with grandfather. When he came to live with grandfather, he became one of Timothy's favorite person. What kind of change came over Timothy? A villainous intent. During the time of 6 months old, a change came over to him. Less friendly. When out for a walk with the writer, he would try to steal a stock and someone's pet package. Next, grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to Jew. Why? Only for his villainous intent. Only for what are the villainous intent? You have to write here. Next, last. Do you think Timothy will be happy at the new place? It is your view. Timothy never be happy at the new place. He will lose his freedom, companionship, friendship. He was confined in a particular case. So it was difficult to become free there. So these are all about the scene 2. You have to complete the comprehension check on your notes. Tomorrow we will study about last scene of Tiger in the House. Okay,